Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey guys, how's it going? Well, if you haven't been to the channel before, my name's Trevor, and we're on the Arctic Vet, in the Arctic Vet today, taking it out for a little drive. I've got work on my Jeep. It's actually acting up again. Which last year, actually earlier this year, I replaced the PCM on it because from what I read and seen, the PCM was causing it to do the misfire and stutter. So I checked all my plugs were all good. I even bought new plugs and put those in and still had the issue. I could actually take 4 ignition coils off and let it run, and it would still run with no change. If I plugged it back in, there was no change. So that led me to believe that I swapped my ignition coils around, tested them. I bought 2 new ones because I thought maybe 2 were bad, and still same results. I can run it. It's the 4.7 V8 that they have, and it's running off 4 cylinders, and the only thing I could figure out was the PCM. Well, so I replaced my PCM, and turns out that fixed it for a minute, but it came right back and it's doing it again now. So a couple weekends ago, I replaced the I replaced the crankshaft position sensor. It started to get a little better for a day, and it was back to being terrible. So now I'm hoping to go replace the camshaft sensor and hope that that takes care of it. Otherwise, the only thing I have left to do is to replace the rest of the ignition coils and then check my fuel again. But I checked my fuel the first time and pressure was right and spot on where it's supposed to be, and so I don't think it's my fuel, but that's kind of the last step I have, I guess. Have you guys had any experience with that motor? It's a 2000 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4x4. It's got the 4.7 liter V8 in it. I want to say they call the PowerTech Chrysler motor, whatever. I know I'll never own another Jeep again after this one. I'd rather go back to my Chevy problems. I can at least rebuild that entire motor and know how to diagnose it. It's got a damn distributor. I'm not a fan of coil packs. I thought I'd bring you along on a little drive here and throw in some clips of just what it's like to drive here in Kansas, I guess. Some of you might be from here and know what it's like. But when I do get home, I also have to change out, well, I don't have to change them. I need to air up my tires because they're like 25 PSI right now, and the car is not having it. You can feel it, and it's dinging at me every now and again. Low tire pressure. I know, I'm getting there. I priced out another set of tires for the car. definitely not going with any run flats because those are, I can buy the wheels and tires that I want for the price of the run flats. So yeah, there's no way. If I ever got flat in it, it's alright, I got roadside assistance. Call it good. And hopefully when that happens, I've got a truck and a trailer. If I had my helmet with me, I would totally put it on right now and drive, but it'd be kind of lame since it's the highway. And I'm sure if a cop see me, be like, oh, I know what you're doing. And that's not what I'd be doing, but, you know, put two and two together and be like, hey, you can't be doing that. So I feel like if we're in town where speed limits are lower, it's going to be alright. Probably look a little better if you did it in town, so I'm hoping I can do that here soon. I've got I wanted to throw in a little bit of the Jeep repairs that I'm doing in this video, so we'll see if I can fit it. If I can fit it in here, maybe here at the end, I'll throw that in, but I might just do a whole nother video on that and make it a how-to, because I do like doing those and being thorough about it, because you go out there and you look for how-to videos on some stuff and they're like, here, it's just a bolt, you just pull it out. Alright, well, where is it? What else do you need to do? What other kind of steps are there besides just pulling it out and putting it back in? Taking it off, putting it back on. Or they'll just show you, well, here, you know, I got it pulled right out. But what about the times when it breaks off in the block and you can't get it out? I wish I had recorded my crankshaft or the sensor, because I took it off. So I took the bolt out, no big deal. You're supposed to take some flathead screwdrivers and put it behind the spot where the bolt goes, and then just pry on it nice and easy, and it's supposed to start wiggling its way out. Well, I started doing that and it started moving, and then it snapped off. So I grabbed some pliers and I grabbed onto the end of the sensor and tried twisting it nice and easy, and it snapped right off. And I tried it again, and it snapped off to the point where it's stuck in the block. So I thought, you know what, okay, easy outs are great, they work well, I'm gonna see if I can use some of those. And I couldn't get it with an easy out, because every time the easy out would grab, it would break more of the plastic off. So what I ended up having to do was just keep drilling bigger holes in it, and I went and actually bought different drill bits. I bought some, I want to call them auger drill bits, and got them out that way. And I just kept drilling until it came out, until there was really nothing there, and I just took my finger and wiped the rest of it out. And there was a little magnet piece stuck in the end, and for that I took a small drill bit and I put it in there with my hand, and it hooked, and I just pulled it right out, nice and easy. But it took me a long time to do that because it broke and I didn't have the right tools. So if that happens with the camshaft sensor, at least I got the right tools now, I can knock it out. I think I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in another video though, the camshaft sensor replacement. And for now, we'll go ahead and get back to some of these clips of the roads.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed that video, please leave me a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, and let me know what you think. If haven't already, please click that red subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell next to it so you're notified when I upload videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.